Let's explore tiny creatures with big wonders. How many do you recognize? Let's find out. Butterfly. A fluttering beauty with colorful wings. Butterfly. Honeybee. Buzzing around flowers, making sweet honey. Honeybee. Honeybee. Ladybug. A tiny red friend with black spots. Ladybug. Ladybug. Mosquito. They may buzz, but they're part of nature's balance. Mosquito. Housefly. Zooming through kitchens and living rooms. Housefly. Housefly. Ant. Tiny but mighty, always working hard in teams. Ant. Ant. Dragonfly. Flying fast with wings like stained glass. Dragonfly. Grasshopper. Jumping high and singing songs with its legs. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Praying mantis. Looks like it's always meditating. Praying mantis. Praying mantis. Praying mantis. Cockroach. A survivor from ancient times. Cockroach. Cockroach. Caterpillar. A hungry crawler before becoming a butterfly. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Beetle. Armored bugs in many shapes and colors. Beetle. Beetle. Scorpion. A creepy crawly with a stinger tail. Scorpion. Scorpion. Wasp. Bold and buzzing with a painful sting. Wasp. Wasp. Hornet. A larger, fiercer cousin of the wasp. Hornet. 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 Cricket. Famous for chirping on warm nights. Cricket. Cricket. Flea. A tiny jumper that's hard to spot. Flea. Flea. Aphid. A tiny plant sap drinker. Aphid. Bumblebee. Fuzzy and friendly flower collector. Bumblebee. Bumblebee. Moth. A nighttime flyer with powdery wings. Moth. Moth. Bedbug. Seeky bugs that hide in beds. Bedbug. Bedbug. Spider. Web-weaving eight-legged hunters. Spider. Spider. Stink bug. Releases a stink when scared. Stink bug. Stink bug. Army ant. Marches in massive swarms like soldiers. Army ant. Army ant. Weaver ant. Builds leaf nests with silk. Weaver ant. Weaver ant. Carpenter bee. Drills into wood to make nests. Carpenter bee. Carpenter bee. Thanks for joining us on this amazing insect adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.